All right, here we go.
The clouds over, or the foggy clouds over the mountains.
That's cool, ain't it? Rainy day.
All you can do on a rainy day is what?
So what do we do on a rainy day like this?
Go to all the antique stores and shoot a gun.
In the antique store?
At the gun shooting
up the
range.
antique stores.
Go shoot in the antique store.
Yeah.
No,
What'd you find?
my holy grail.
How much is it?
$10.
$10. Go found the Holy Grail for $10. Look at these pictures.
Trying to Easter stuff.
Summer, fall, winter, and spring. Same old truck. That's pretty neat.
I think they're actually taking in a different time. Hit it every time. No, it's not. Hold the sword. No, it's not. Hold the sword. It's heavy. Yeah, you know what Minnie's gonna say, watch. Daddy.
Which one? Look at this one. Oh, you so cute.
Nope. I'm beating the baby.
Put your hands flat.
Only the baby. That one.
Hold the door. Tanner. Hold the door.
Not gonna be the one.
Feed him, baby. Feed him. Oh,
Hey, go! I want to see him something.
Oh yeah.
Look at those shoulders, dude. Daddy, watch him. He just grabs you.
I hope you don't throw them legs up and kick you.
He grabbed you.
Probably easier to hold on to, though. Don't you think?
It's daddy.
Maybe not.
You pet him, Sissy?
No.
Look at your arm.
Oh, getting dirty.
I want to go see the
Stay right here, sister. Scared of him, Colton. He's kind of creepy.
Yeah, it's weird. He's weird.
But he feels so good.
That's what we're getting next, Mommy.
We ain't getting nothing
Because of
next.
y'all.
He is so muscular too.
Can you imagine how muscular those legs are?
Maybe they tickle. They tickle. Sorry, I don't have any food in my head.
Hold it up, T. He coming. He coming.
I feel so weird.
Don't drop it.
It's all lips.
Y'all get scared. Go over there. It's okay.
Oh, that's that.
I know hers moving.
I don't know if you're supposed to feed him.
Yeah, you can. I don't know how you can even see.
That's nasty.
Ew! He's slobber.
Do you do it, buddy?
Yeah, I did it. I feel
Do it
so
again.
weird.
Do this one.
It's okay.
Do this one. Feed him. He's got soft lips.
They were out there feeding them earlier.
Yeah, I'm sure he's got soft lips. Look at him. Feed him.
I don't really feel
Stick
like
your
it.
cup over there.
No.
See, look how gentle.
There you go.
Now, big boy, use your hand.
No.
Give me one.
How does it feel?
He barely touches your hand.
There we go.
He got good aim.
Oh my goodness!
Look at Colton. Feed him with your hand.
Okay.
He don't even touch your hand.
Okay.
Like he's surgical strike.
Here you go.
Oh, he pinched me there, but it didn't even hurt. That's impressive.
Ow.
That actually is a lot less aggressive than you think it would be.
Uh-huh. There you go, buddy. I fed you.
I think I like him more than anything else.
Uh-huh.
Olivia,
touch me.
He don't even touch you. No, you gotta hold your hand open, baby.
Open.
Just hold it.
Open
Watch this,
like
watch.
this.
Can you do it?
Oh yeah, that's easy.
What's
Colton.
Colton doing it?
Yeah, he don't. This one don't even touch you. It's okay. Watch.
Just keep it there.
Look at his ear. You see it?
Get it on out there.
All
Olivia.
this is just a hole.
See if,
Get
I
it on
can,
out there and hold
see
it.
if I can get one of these in there.
He won't hurt, I promise. Olivia, once he does it, he don't hurt, I promise.
Yeah, Olivia.
Don't do it that way, baby.
See if I can get a piece of corn in there.
Hold it flat in your hand.
Hold your cup.
Hold your cup to it. Hold your cup to it.
Now back it up where he can get his. Back it up. He can't get his head in there.
Hey, watch this. Watch this. This one really doesn't even touch you. Watch. Trust me, baby. Trust me.
horse over here.
He doesn't hurt. He's easy. All right. It's okay. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. Hey, trust me.
Yeah, come on.
Look, I can do it. Watch this. I'll do it real quick. Watch
She's gonna
this.
do it. She's doing it. Move your hand, Colton.
Watch
She's
it.
gonna
See,
do it.
watch it. He don't
She's
even
gonna
hurt
do
you. Watch. It's okay. It's okay. It's not that bad, is it? Put it up there, man.
Ow!
Did he get you?
I'm glad he's not licking the peanuts.
Same thing as a horse. I mean, look at him. It's the exact same
Get
thing.
him. Get him.
That one's kind of big.
Pawing at him, ain't
He wants food.
Now you about to go get on one
Look
like
at
that.
the top lip.
Well, he won't be begging you for food like that one is. This one's
It's nasty.
used to eating.
It's all top lip.
I want to pee.
he? Can't get in there.
Dude, that's. They got horse slobber on it.
I realized to pet birds out to keep the horse. I'm trying to.
That's a big old horse. The zonkey.
Donkey. Like the donkey.
Feed him.
Hey.
Seek a deer.
Hey, pour a little bit of that mud. Can I see a little bit of hand?
Now you're just being mean. Nugget. He's about as big as a nugget.
Yeah, that one got rejected as a baby, so we hand raised that one. I think it's honestly not gonna get too much bigger than that. Because the past 2 months she hasn't grown at all.
Read the sign. Read it over and over.